What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some updates for Wynn Resorts, trading under the ticker WYNN. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about Wynn Resorts here on my channel a couple months ago, and since that time, Wynn Resorts has been pulling back with the broader stock market, currently trading at around $103 per share at the time that I'm recording this video as of the most recent market close. So why has Wynn Resorts stock been pulling back so much recently? It's no secret that there has definitely been some more fear in the market recently about the pandemic and the new variants that have been spreading. But here in the summer months, we have seen travel boom, with millions of people taking trips that they had previously postponed, including the home of two of Wynn Resorts' major properties, Las Vegas. And now, in light of increasing numbers of positive cases, state officials, especially in states like Hawaii, are warning residents to avoid travel to Las Vegas. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about Wynn Resorts as an investment? While here in the short term, I certainly can understand why individuals would be concerned about how the pandemic can impact Wynn's financial health. As a long-term investment, I believe that this is a huge buying opportunity right now for Wynn Resorts. Over the past year, it's certainly been rough for Wynn Resorts, with the share price at one point trading around $60 per share because of the negative impact the pandemic had on its business, with Wynn Resorts management also having to temporarily suspend their dividend. Now, while an investment in Wynn Resorts at the current share price does not have the same potential upside like an investment would have back in the peak of the pandemic, in my opinion, an investment in Wynn Resorts from a long-term perspective on a 3 to 5 year time frame continues to offer investors excellent value. Taking a look at Wynn Resorts' most recent financial statements, we can see that the company continues to be in excellent financial health here in the short term, currently with $3.2 billion in total current assets compared to $1.3 billion in total current liabilities. And like we talked about in my prior video about Wynn Resorts, there continue to be a lot of future prospects ahead for Wynn shareholders. And since that video, WynnBet has announced some positive news, recently announcing a long-term partnership with the Detroit Lions, as well as announcing a partnership with the Colorado Rockies. Personally, as an investment, Wynn Resorts makes up a fairly substantial portion of my overall stock market portfolio. And while I personally purchased the majority of those shares back in 2020 whenever Wynn Resorts was trading at a lower value than it is currently, more recently I have started to pick up some additional shares because of the weakness that we have been seeing in Wynn's share price. And if it continues to fall over the next few weeks, then I will definitely be picking up some additional shares to add to my position. Because I believe an investment in Wynn Resorts offers investors not only share price appreciation, but also a safe dividend once the company reaches back to pre-pandemic levels. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on my research. And investment in Wynn Resorts, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Wynn, make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. What are your thoughts about Wynn Resorts? Are you invested in Wynn? Are you thinking about investing in Wynn Resorts? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.